Detailed biography of BL star Tian Shuning. Hello guys, welcome to CK Gossip. Like, share, subscribe our channel. Let's start the video. Name Tian Shuning. Nickname. While Tian does not appear to use a personal nickname, Arthur serves as his Western friendly stage name. Profession. Tian is primarily an actor and model. Agency. He is officially represented by Hoichi Film and TV, one of China's leading entertainment agencies. They manage his contract, public image, and ongoing projects. Date of birth. Tian was born on September 19, 1997, making him 27 years old in mid 2025. Zodiac sign. He is a Virgo, a sign often associated with professionalism, analytical thinking, and dedication. These traits resonate with his professional approach, careful role selection, polished performance, and arise through sheer effort and consistency. Birthplace. Tian hails from China. Education. Tian graduated from the Shanghai Theatre Academy, a prestigious institution specializing in dramatic arts and performance. His formal training there is evident in his acting range, from sporting parts to powerful emotional scenes in Revenge Love. Family. Public records offer minimal detail about his family life. He appears to keep parents and siblings discreet and focused on his professional persona. Relationship. He made headlines in June 2025, aimed rumors about being married with a child, but both he and his agency strongly denied these claims. Early life. He developed early interest in performing arts. Enrollment at the Shanghai Theatre Academy signals a focused early path to acting. His rise from local beginnings to national fame exemplifies dedication and early career ambition. Debut. Tian made his professional debut in 2021, appearing in supporting roles in series like I Am the Years, You Are the Stars, and No Rain for Us Today. Rise to fame. His breakthrough came with The Revenge Love, playing lead character. The drama's explosive popularity and his compelling performance earned his recognition as a top new BL actor, with some fans calling him the king of short dramas. Notable works. Key credits include Revenge Love, Sweet Trap, The Silent Wife, First Love, I Am the Years, You Are the Stars. Music career. There is no public record of a music career. His efforts are currently concentrated on acting for TV dramas, and no significant OST or recording credits have been noted. Reality shows. As of mid 2025, Tian has not appeared on major reality or variety programs. His focus has been on dramatic training and TV series, though he may take variety work in the future as his fame rises. Net worth. No official figures are available. Income source. He earns from drama salaries, especially major roles, modeling and brand endorsements, potential guest appearances, or magazine features. His breakthrough role likely boosted negotiation power for future contracts. Cars. Tian Shuning is reported to own three luxury vehicles, a BMW i8, a Mercedes Benz, and a Tesla Model X. Hobbies. Limited information is available about personal hobbies. Based on his disciplined persona, he likely spends free time training, reading, or quietly recovering from intense work. Pets. He keeps a dog as a pet. Famous chemistry. Tian's compelling chemistry with Ziyu in Revenge Love is receiving major praise. Reddit fans describe their tension as electric, highlighting complex character dynamics that fuel the drama's popularity. Final note: Tian is a striking 27 years old actor from Shandong whose career pivoted with Revenge Love in 2025. With solid acting roots, a major agency behind him, and a breakout lead role, Tan is well on his way to becoming a defining figure in Chinese BL and youth dramas. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, CK Gossip.